3.
Turn it up.
Okay, guys, we're in the desert right now. Okay.
The desert. You see all these trees? They're just mirages.
Yeah.
Look at them.
Really creepy.
Not there. They're not there at all.
Yeah. Now, we just got here, but we don't find food fast. We're gonna die.
It's gonna be bad, man.
Oh man.
That looks sharp.
Oh,
I found some bugs. You want them?
yeah, we can find some bark and awesomeness.
Bark. We can make some tea.
Awesome tea. Okay. Now that we got our food, well, we
Look,
need
man.
some shelter. Oh, there's crap in water. What are you find?
You never know what you're gonna find in the desert.
In the
Water
desert.
bottle. We can use it to store water, man.
Yeah.
We're kicking it up like dual survivors, man. Look at that. Oh, look at that pure clean water.
Oh, pure clean.
Hey, man. You want it first?
Nah, you can take it.
Are you sure you don't want it?
Oh, okay, I'll take it.
Take it, man. Oh, God, man. That looks good. Oh, my God, man. Having something to tell you.
It's on a tea. We.
That was awesome.
Crap.
That's so hard,
You
man.
didn't leave any for me.
No, man. You had all the water. You had all the pure clean water.
Oh, it's one of those crappy snakes. Watch out, man.
Hey, man.
They're very poisonous.
Should I get him?
Come on. Bye.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, no. Yo,
Get him, man. Get him, man. You can do it. You can do it. Good job.
God. Look at that, man. That's nice hearty meat right there for us.
Oh my God, that's good meat right there,
Right
man.
there, man.
Good job.
Right there.
Whoa.
My knife is
Whoa.
off. It could kill us.
It could
Man,
kill
that's
us.
a body bag. Is that a body bag, man?
Let's get out of here.
Oh my God.
No.
I don't want to see the rest of the body. You're okay, man?
He's gonna kill him something.
I'm gonna kill me something.
Do it, man.
That food right there, man.
Oh, man.
Oh my gosh, I picked that thing up.
Oh,
It's
man.
about Buster Foreman.
Yeah.
Get out of here, man. We gotta get out of here. The bikes, man.
Where the crap is the exit? I can't find the exit. Where's the exit? I don't see any civilization anywhere.
This is like the deepest jungle I've ever seen in
The
my
deepest
life.
desert I've ever seen.
Hey man, look at that big visible. I think we can cross it.
Yeah.
It looks deep.
Looks very deep, man.
Drown, man.
It might drown. It's probably 2 inches deep. We might drown.
Hey man.
No.
Pole vault, man.
Pull us, okay.
Pole vault.
You pull us.
I pull up. Oh yeah, man. And then how am I gonna get across? The stick's all the way over there. Oh my gosh, man. This is what happens when you don't do something right in the desert. He's dead. Oh my God, man, is that a gator? Oh, no, it's just a stick. Sorry, man.
I don't see any.
Oh my gosh, man.
I don't see any civilization.